So this morning we're going to fill you in on some of these basics that are going to be really important to make your outfits wonderful. These are all Alexander Wang. They're beautiful fabrics, they're beautiful basics. Let me show and explain. So this is a waffle. And it's not a white, it's kind of a cream. You can see this is a white, this is a little bit of an off-white. Milk, it's been called a lot right now in the fashion. It has 100% cotton, it has stretch in both directions. Now these fabrics, they're the last of our $9.99 and $12.99, so this is just $9.99. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. And again, you can even use it for ribbing. This is a ribbing, it's a cotton poly, it's a wine color, beautiful stretch, just really pretty. And I've seen wine ribbing done with all kinds of different colors, so don't think it has to be just wine. It's really being used very versatile. This is a second skin, has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly, very light and very nice. I made a little while ago a bunch of tops just to go under things to keep me warm. It's been really nice. I used number 115, Anne's top, as a pattern. And I just absolutely love it, and I wear them. I made 3, and I wear them a lot. So this is a 100% denim. This is Alexander Wang black denim. It's black on black. If you, I mean, it's just beautiful. There's not a lot to see as much as it handles gorgeous on the tag. It says Alexander Wang black denim, 100% cotton. So that's just a beautiful buy. This is $12.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $12.99. This is a very contemporary. It's 100% cotton also. You know, a lot of our ribbing right now, if you look at higher fashion, has a little bit of glitz to it, and this is the glitz. This has got a little bit of sheen to it. If you don't like the sheen, you can always use the back side, but it's really nice, and it just gives that little bit of current fashion. It is 100% cotton. It is stretch in one direction, and it is also $9.99. And then we have, this is what's called a towel terry. It has stretch in both directions, slight stretch. There's not a lot of stretch to it, but you can see that it's a really pretty light gray. Again, $9.99. Just a really beautiful piece of fabric. So you guys, these are great basics. Alexander Wang, you can't do better. The goal, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.